For the party way then they do for Lagos City. Now there where you go find the money receipt. She know they carry last yo, she know they greedy. Yeah, 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 kill on wakiri. Mommy yetunde won tun lo yawo, won fe ra gele lo sibi yawo. Daddy Suliya won fe lo shaye, won ti de won pe Sunny Ade won pe Bado. Èyí tún lè gan o, wọ́n ní ìjọ tí mo jó lánàá. Ayé tí mo jẹ lọ́jọ́ yẹn o. Onílù ṣàmà rọra o. Ìjọ tí fẹ́ mọ́ wọra o.
Grandma is my mother-in-law. My husband is Grandma's last son, and I've known Grandma for 17 years now. And Grandma helped me raise my kids. I leave my kids with Grandma on Fridays and sometimes on Mondays when I get them. It's been an amazing journey because she's someone I can talk to, gist with, discuss anything with. We would laugh together. She would advise you, and Grandma would tongue lash you if you step out of line.
Gives us very good words of encouragement, and most of my childhood memories are in Grandma's house.
Grandma is someone who is irreplaceable. She's loving, she's kind. From as long as I can remember, my grandmother always told me one thing: preparation before everything. Preparation brings hard work. You need to be prepared for every single thing, every stage of your life. Anything you are doing, you must be prepared and you must be hardworking. Hard work pays off.
Switch it up, baby.
You still have about 3 decades to live in good health and comfort and happiness. God bless you. Ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́.
Bí mo ṣe rere, ẹ̀rí ọkàn